Hi there, everybody, and good morning to meteorologist Travis Klineski on this Tuesday morning. And it is kind of a wet start for some, but for most, not really a wet start to our morning out there. Some very hit or miss showers and an isolated thunder. Some of the heavier rains have been up in north central Nebraska this morning. This will all traverse east-southeastward with time, so that will take the better chances of rain to the east this afternoon. Where the clouds hang around the longest, though, that's where your temperatures are going to be a little on the cooler side today, but with more sunshine to the southwest, warmer temperatures expected there. Some areas will be seeing higher winds than others. I'd say some of the breeziest conditions will be right in here. South central to southwest Nebraska, northern Kansas, your winds will get up around 10 to 20 miles per hour today. So lighter winds across eastern portions of Nebraska. Another round of rain and isolated thunder tonight. Now initially this evening maybe in southwest Nebraska. And then notice the activity coming in out of South Dakota later in the night, and that will move across northern and eastern Nebraska. Some models have been a little more aggressive than this one here, but the Tri-Cities area, I threw in a very small chance of rain after midnight, well after midnight, in fact, through about 7 or 8 o'clock tomorrow morning. As we go into tomorrow, that rain pushes to the east. We'll see a mix of clouds and sun, partly cloudy skies, a little bit of a breeze out there, especially I would say earlier in the day. And this time focusing the strongest winds across the southeast. That's where the winds will be a little bit lighter as you go farther to the west. And then another small chance of rain and thunderstorms. I'm going to take this through a little bit through time here. Late night, focusing areas in eastern Nebraska. It's not a great chance, but there is a chance there. The rest of us, increasing clouds, though, becoming mostly cloudy, maybe some patchy fog out there. Those clouds could hold temperatures back a little bit heading into our Thursday. We'll get to that in just a bit. So today's high is kind of a wider range than yesterday. We'll see highs ranging from the upper 70s in the northeast to the lower 90s in the southwest. Look for low 80s in the Tri-Cities if the sun comes out a little earlier than expected, maybe mid 80s. But I'm going to go with lower 80s for now. It's a little bit below average. 60s for lows, low and mid 60s for overnight lows across the area. And then tomorrow's temperatures, a little bit warmer out there. We'll go anywhere from the lower 80s in the northeast to as high as the mid 90s. And it's down here to the southwest. You notice that 104 there, that's Hill City, Kansas right there. It's kind of covered up by my little banner there. But Phillipsburg is right. Well, actually, Phillipsburg's right. Hold on real quick. Phillipsburg is right here, and that is in the Local 4 viewing area, just west of Smith Center. I'm going with upper 90s. You're about 98 or 99 for a high. So there will be some heat. While most of us are not experiencing the heat, there is a little bit of that heat out there. Those southwestern areas, all those areas in the 90s, basically, the southern and southwestern portions of the Local 4 viewing area, is seeing those temperatures that are on the hotter side. But most of us don't have to deal with that. I mentioned more cloud cover Thursday, holding those temperatures down a little bit, lower to mid 80s for highs, and even to the southwest, not quite as hot, upper 80s around McCook and Imperial, near 90 in Smith Center, Kansas. So a little cooler thanks to clouds. Some models are hinting at 70s for highs if those clouds are thick enough. We'll see. It's kind of an iffy situation yet because some models are not going quite that cool. But I'll go with low to mid 80s on your Thursday. Another small chance of rain and thunderstorms Thursday evening. A better chance, though, after midnight Thursday night. And then these off and on chances Friday through Saturday. When's the best time frame? Tough to say right now. Models are kind of all over the place with the timing and placement of the heavier precipitation, and if we'll even see heavy precipitation. It does look like, well, with cloudier skies, it's going to be a little cooler. Highs around 80s Friday and Saturday. Lows will still stay fairly mild, though, with the clouds around and no big cold front coming through. None of this rain is coming through because of a cold front or any kind of a frontal boundary, so we're not going to see big drops in temperatures. The cooler air is just basically because of extra clouds around. Sunday looks like a partly cloudy day, so a little bit warmer, low to mid 80s, and then mid to upper 80s on Monday. Slight chance of rain and thunderstorms returning late Sunday night into Monday and Monday evening. Looking at the long range again, our average high is still about 86 or 87. We have a couple of days close to that, but most of those days will be a little bit below average for this time of the year. But again, there is that exception the next couple of days, and that is for those folks, you folks to the southwest, feeling a little more heat than the rest of us. All right, with that, I'm going to wrap it up here for today. Thank you all for watching. I hope you all have a wonderful Tuesday. I'll see you all again on Wednesday morning. Enjoy your Tuesday. Take care. God bless. Bye.